Hello, everyone. Welcome to our podcast.
Welcome, welcome. We are very happy you are here.
This is Easy English Story Practice.
And today's topic is, let's talk about your childhood.
We will talk about childhood memories.
Simple memories, happy memories, small memories.
We will learn easy English words.
We will listen.
We will discuss.
Then we will listen again.
If you like this podcast, please like and subscribe.
And share with your friends.
Let's start.
Part 1. Childhood. Ronald, what is childhood?
Good question. Childhood is the time when you are a child.
Yes, when you are small.
When you go to school.
When you play.
Let's repeat. Childhood.
Childhood.
My childhood was happy.
My childhood was simple.
Listen and repeat. My childhood was happy.
My childhood was happy.
Good job.
You're doing great. Part 2. Where did you grow up?
New question. Where did you grow up?
Grow up means become big.
Become older.
Example, I grew up in a small town.
I grew up in a village.
Listen, I grew up in a small town.
Repeat. I grew up in a small town.
Nice.
Now listen again.
I grew up in a small town.
Great job.
Part 3. Family.
Let's talk about family.
Family is very important.
I lived with my parents.
I lived with my parents and my sister.
Listen. I lived with my parents. Repeat. I lived with my parents.
Excellent.
Listen again.
I lived with my parents.
Part 4. Brothers and sisters.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
I have one brother.
I have 2 sisters.
Listen. I have one brother. Repeat. I have one brother.
Very good.
Listen again.
I have one brother.
Part 5. Home. Let's talk about home.
My house was small.
My house was big.
Listen. My house was small.
Repeat. My house was small.
Good job.
Listen again.
My house was small.
Part 6. School.
Did you go to school?
Yes, I went to school. My school was near my house.
My school was far.
Listen. My school was near my house. Repeat. My school was near my house.
Great.
Listen again.
My school was near my house.
Part 7. Favorite subject.
What was your favorite subject?
My favorite subject was English.
My favorite subject was math.
Listen. My favorite subject was English. Repeat. My favorite subject was English.
Nice.
Listen again.
My favorite subject was English.
Part 8. Teachers.
Let's talk about teachers.
My teacher was kind.
My teacher was strict.
Listen and repeat. My teacher was kind. Repeat. My teacher was kind.
Great job.
Listen again.
My teacher was kind.
Part 9. Friends.
Did you have friends?
Yes, I had many friends.
I had one best friend.
Listen. I had many friends. Repeat. I had many friends.
Excellent.
Listen again.
I had many friends.
Part 10. Playing.
Let's talk about playing.
I played outside.
I played football.
Listen. I played outside. Repeat. I played outside.
Good job.
Listen again.
I played outside.
Part 11. Favorite game.
My favorite game was hide and seek.
My favorite game was cricket. Listen. My favorite game was cricket. Repeat. My favorite game was cricket.
Nice.
Listen again.
My favorite game was cricket.
Part 12. After school.
What did you do after school?
I did my homework.
I watched TV.
Listen. I did my homework. Repeat. I did my homework.
Great.
Listen again.
I did my homework.
Part 13. Food.
Let's talk about food.
My favorite food was rice.
My favorite food was noodles.
Listen. My favorite food was rice. Repeat. My favorite food was rice.
Good job.
Listen again.
My favorite food was rice.
Part 14. Morning routine.
In the morning, I woke up early.
I brushed my teeth. Listen. I woke up early. Repeat. I woke up early.
Nice.
Listen again.
I woke up early.
Part 15. Simple memory.
Let's share a simple memory.
I remember my mother's smile.
I remember playing with my friends.
Listen. I remember playing with my friends. Repeat. I remember playing with my friends.
Great.
Listen again.
I remember playing with my friends.
Part 16. Feelings.
How did you feel in childhood?
I felt happy.
I felt safe.
Listen. I felt happy. Repeat. I felt happy.
Good job.
Listen again.
I felt happy.
Part 17. Simple story.
Let's make a small story.
I grew up in a small town.
I lived with my parents.
I went to school.
I played with my friends.
Let's listen again.
I grew up in a small town. I lived with my parents. I went to school. I played with my friends.
Great listening.
Now you try.
Say, I grew up in.
Say, I lived with.
Say, I played.
Good job.
You are learning fast.
You are improving already.
Small steps are good steps.
Keep practicing.
Part 21. Talking about your first friend.
Let's talk about your first friend.
First friend means your very first friend.
Listen. My first friend was Tom.
Repeat. My first friend was Tom.
Good job. Listen again. My first friend was Tom.
Nice. My first friend was kind.
Repeat. My first friend was kind.
Great.
Listen again.
My first friend was kind.
Part 22. Where did you meet your first friend?
I met my first friend at school.
Listen. I met my first friend at school.
Repeat. I met my first friend at school.
Good job.
Listen again.
I met my first friend at school. Part 23. Playing together.
What did you do together?
We played games.
We played football.
Listen. We played games.
Repeat. We played games.
Nice.
Listen again.
We played games.
Part 24. Simple sentence practice.
Listen, I had a friend. We played together. We were happy.
Repeat. I had a friend. We played together. We were happy.
Excellent. Part 25. Favorite toy.
Let's talk about toys.
Toy means something you play with.
My favorite toy was a car.
My favorite toy was a ball. Listen. My favorite toy was a ball.
Repeat. My favorite toy was a ball.
Good. Listen again. My favorite toy was a ball.
Part 26. Daily routine as a child.
Let's talk about your day. In the morning, I woke up.
I went to school.
I came home.
I played.
Listen again.
I woke up. I went to school. I came home. I played.
Repeat. I woke up. I went to school. I came home. I played. Part 27. Helping at home.
Did you help at home?
Yes, I helped my mother. Listen. I helped my mother.
Repeat. I helped my mother.
Nice. Listen again. I helped my mother. Part 28. Simple chores.
I cleaned my room.
I washed dishes. Listen. I cleaned my room.
Repeat. I cleaned my room.
Good job. Part 29. Weekend.
Let's talk about weekend.
Weekend is Saturday and Sunday. On weekends, I played.
On weekends, I watched TV.
Listen. On weekends, I played.
Repeat. On weekends, I played.
Great.
Part 30. Visiting family.
Did you visit family? Yes, I visited my grandparents. Listen. I visited my grandparents.
Repeat. I visited my grandparents.
Nice. Part 31. Grandparents.
My grandmother was kind.
My grandfather was funny. Listen. My grandfather was funny.
Repeat. My grandfather was funny.
Good. Part 32. Special day.
Let's talk about a special day.
My birthday was special. Listen. My birthday was special.
Repeat. My birthday was special.
Nice. Part 33. Birthday party.
I had a small party.
I ate cake. Listen. I ate cake.
Repeat. I ate cake.
Good. Part 34. Simple story.
Listen.
I had a birthday. I ate cake. I played games. I was happy.
Repeat. I had a birthday. I ate cake. I played games. I was happy.
Part 35. Favorite place.
What was your favorite place?
My favorite place was the park. Listen. My favorite place was the park.
Repeat. My favorite place was the park.
Great. Part 36. Park activities.
I ran.
I played on the swing. Listen. I played on the swing.
Repeat. I played on the swing.
Good. Part 37. Feelings again.
How did you feel? I felt happy.
I felt excited. Listen. I felt excited.
Repeat. I felt excited.
Part 38. Comparing then and now.
Then I was a child.
Now, I am an adult.
Listen. Now I am an adult.
Repeat. Now, I am an adult.
Part 39. Missing childhood.
Do you miss childhood?
Yes, I miss childhood.
Listen. I miss childhood.
Repeat. I miss childhood.
Part 40. Why you miss it.
I miss playing.
I miss my friends. Listen. I miss my friends.
Repeat. I miss my friends.
Part 41. Practice conversation.
Ask me.
Where did you grow up?
I grew up in a village.
Did you have friends?
Yes, I had friends.
Great conversation.
Part 42. Build your own answer.
Say, I grew up in blank.
Say, I had blank friends.
Say, I played blank.
Nice work.
Part 43. Short review.
Childhood.
Friend.
School.
Play.
Happy.
Good job. Part 44. Longer story.
Listen.
I grew up in a small town. I had many friends. We played every day. I went to school. I felt happy.
Repeat. I grew up in a small town. I had many friends. We played every day. I went to school. I felt happy.
Part 45. Encouragement.
You are doing amazing.
You are learning English.
Step by step.
Day by day.
Part 46. Rap practice.
Let's say it together. I grew up in blank.
I had blank friends.
I played blank.
I felt happy.
Part 47. Soft ending. Thank you for practicing.
Keep listening.
Keep speaking.
Tell us in the comments.
Where did you grow up?
And
What is your favorite childhood memory?
see you next time.
Bye-bye.
Wrap up. Let's recap.
Childhood.
I grew up in.
I lived with.
I played.
I felt happy.
You did amazing today.
We are proud of you.
Tell us in the comments.
What is your favorite childhood memory?
And another fun question.
What time do you wake up?
See you next time.
Bye-bye. Keep learning.